How's it going, friends? I'm TamillanBro.
I'm Jaypriya.
So today we're back with another cooking video.
So we usually do vlogs, but today we're doing a cooking video.
Yes, we're doing a cooking video, and it's a unique recipe. It's tilapia fish with salad. So what do you want to say, Priya?
So don't forget to subscribe, look, and comment. Oops, I said look instead of like.
Boo! Okay, guys, let's go into the video. Let's cook. Let's get into the video.
She's out for miles.
First, we need 2 pieces of boneless tilapia fish.
We need half teaspoon of red chili powder.
We also need half teaspoon of turmeric powder.
We need half teaspoon of salt.
The next thing is half teaspoon of black pepper powder.
We need half teaspoon of cumin powder.
Next thing we need is half teaspoon garlic powder. Other thing we need is 2 whole wheat rotis, or you can use plain rotis. We also need 4 tablespoons of sour cream. We also need 1 cup of shredded cabbage.
Red onion. So the red onion we had half, and then we cut into little pieces just like this. The final ingredient is half lemon.
First, we need to put the chili powder into this bowl and then start mixing it with the other powders off. Then put the garlic powder.
Yeah. Okay, then put the next powder.
The cumin powder. Okay, now the turmeric powder, as my brother said after.
Very
and
funny.
Then
okay.
Black pepper powder.
Then start mixing. But before that, put the salt in. And then start mixing.
So now I'm going to keep on mixing it. Gently. Like this.
Let me help you? You want me to help you, Priya?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
good
now.
job. Good job.
Now put the powders all over the fish.
Then after you put it fully, then you want to flip it and then put it.
Don't forget the salt.
It's all
inside.
mixed
With the powder.
Okay, wait. Keep doing it, Priya. Make sure it spreads both on the fish.
Now I'm going to put more of the powders to this fish because this has less. Okay, so now I'm going to keep on spreading. And now I'm going to put more pepper. Not pepper, like the powder.
Now flip it onto the other fish and put it like this.
Good.
And then you want to mix it.
Now I'm going to put the pepper on top of that.
Just first, then spread it around with the fish.
Make sure you put all of them. Not all of them, like some. Make sure it's fine. Now spread it around. So now I'm done. So now I'm going to flip this part.
And then put that fish onto this. And then
put it in the middle.
Yes, put it in the middle. Pour the powder, spread it around with the fish.
Yep. It's going to be delicious. And it's really healthy for you. Fish gets your brain good.
Yeah, it does. It's a brain smart food. Flip it and put all the powders, spread it around the fish. Then you want to keep it aside for 10 minutes. And then do you want to fry it so it could be good fish? Now we're going to make the salad. So Priya, explain what to do.
So first put the cabbage into the bowl. Be careful you don't drop outside.
Next, put the red onion.
Next, put the sour cream. And if it doesn't come, take it out with a spoon. Make sure you put it all around.
The sour cream is very thick and has that nice feeling. So just spread it around the salad.
Like this.
The salad, we need to put the salt actually. Good.
Next, put the lemon juice. Make sure you pour it all over. So now we're going to put the salad into another bowl because this is too small to mix it. So now we're going to pour it into this bowl. Make sure you pour it really well.
So keep mixing until all of them come together and mix together. Make sure the salad
and it's going to be
really
good.
Yeah, it's going to be really good. Okay, so this is ready. So keep it one side. So make sure you keep it one side, and then next we're gonna fry the fish, and then we're gonna put it with the salad. But let's see the frying part. So we're gonna fry the tilapia fish on the tawa. So put the butter on, fry it. It should fry, and then once it's fully fried, and also spread it with the tawa, then put the fish to fry it.
So now we're gonna start spinning around. Now the butter has melted on the tawa, so now we're going to put this fish on and then fry it. So make sure you fry it one by one. Fry one fish, and then after that one is fried, flip the other side and then fry it. So after that's done, fry the other fish. Now we're still frying it. So this is how it's gonna look like. So right now it's still frying, as you can see, because the bubbles are popping. So that's how you know that it's frying. So now we're gonna flip it to the other side. See, the other side got fried, but this side is already fried, so the other side is frying now.
Make sure that also fries really good too. So fry it on one side for 5 minutes and fry it on the other side for 5 minutes. The total time you should get from frying it is 10 minutes.
I think I want to eat it. I hope the fish doesn't get angry at me.
Roar, I'm the fish. Just kidding, that is not what fish makes. It looks really tasty, Priya.
Delicious.
It looks very delicious and it smells really nice, especially frying it on the butter.
So now we're going to take it out.
And then we're gonna put the other fish, the second one, onto the tawa and then fry that too.
Make sure you put it flat.
Make sure it flattens onto the tawa. And then the same rule here. It fries for 5 minutes on one side and fries to the second side.
We're going to flip it to the other side.
It's been fried really good, so flip it and then fry it on that side too.
Just look at it. Delicious.
Yes, it's delicious. So it's frying right now.
So make sure you do it really well. So now we're going to take it out.
So now the tilapia fish fried is ready. So now we're going to do the other step.
So now we're going to put the roti on the tawa.
You have to heat it, but then after that one's heated good, then flip it and then use the other roti to heat it on the tawa.
So now we're going to flip it to the other side since the one side is warm. So the roti is done. So now we're going to take it out.
Take it out when it's very heated, so like it's heated now.
And it's a different color now.
Yes.
Now we're going to put the second one.
Make sure that's heated too.
Yeah, make sure it's flat. So now flip it to the other side. Make sure it's flat on that side too. And then it's gonna come like a different color. So 1 minute is enough to make the roti warm. So this roti is already cooked, but we just want to make it warm for our delicious recipe.
So now take it out. I'll put the salad onto the roti that we heated. So put it about in the middle.
Make sure you put a lot. So maybe this is a little enough. Make sure you put it in the middle, as I said. So now I'm going to keep on cutting it because this is the last line. Now it's done. So this is how it looks like when you cut it.
Now put the fish pieces that my sister cut into the roti onto it.
So make sure you put the ones you need because we need them.
I'm going to make the other roti. So do the same steps, put the salad onto the roti and then put the fish on.
Right now we're putting the salad.
And then after you're done that, put the fish.
So now we're gonna put the fish. Keep on putting the fish. Because it does kind of look
It's
like
okay, you're a
chicken.
little kid. Some people get confused. That's alright. That's good for you though.
So now it's ready to eat. So I'm gonna gently fold it and eat the fish taco.
So remember when I told you guys that it was fish tilapia with salad? It's actually a taco, fish taco. So now the fish taco is ready. It's delicious. Now we're gonna enjoy it
And eat
and eat it. Our fish taco is ready, so we're gonna try it and eat it. Also, it's very healthy.
I'll try to hold it. It's a little tricky, so.
So ready? Look at the details and everything. Ready?
Oh.
It's really good and healthy
Good.
and delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe.
And also like and comment.
So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.